Alright everyone, I picked up another trio of these Chibikko Choro-Qs here, which are the smaller size Choro-Qs. And they're all loose, no packaging or anything like that, so let's just take a look at a few of these guys. This is the Subaru 360, I believe it's the very first Subaru car. And there's a photo of it back there, you can check later out. This thing has the standard Chibikko wheels, these I don't know, they look like alloys, a mix between alloys and stamped steel. Unfortunately, there's a lot of weirdness going on here. It could be the rubber itself maybe isn't, yeah, I think it's just this rubber has some extra flash on it. Same with the front wheel, hopefully. Okay, well, it's nice that it's got the sky blue paint, but also they have some silver here for the window molding, so that's a really nice detail for something this small. The windshield has black paint around that window molding. There's some turn signals, and then the headlights are probably clear plastic, the same dark plastic here, but it is translucent. Let's see here. Does it say the age? It does, 2007, so this actually isn't that old in the realm of ChoroQs. They've been making ChoroQs over 40 years. It's got a standard construction of a screw in the front and a tab in the back. This is from some sort of collection called Always, and then there's some red taillights there, and silver painted molded in bumpers. So, oh, I learned that this car actually has a fiberglass roof, so that's why these 360s always have a different colored roof panel. And then this is some rubber molding, I guess, to seal it all in. So not bad, it's okay, but I prefer the K-Class sports cars here. So all three of these are actually K-Class vehicles. The very first K-Class vehicles are 360cc, so this old classic one. Newer ones can have 660cc engines, which would be these two here. Excuse me. So this is a Suzuki Capucchino, and now we have some 5-spokes here. And let's see, this thing is from 2005. All right. Some nice printed on vents there. Tiny little details there. Kind of a door panel, but it kind of stops the cut. And then a tiny little door handle bump there. Going to the front, you got the dark smoked windshield, and I'm sure that the grill and the lights are the same plastic again. Yeah, you can kind of see some light shining through there from the back. They did paint the grill area black though. They do have some recesses for the turn signals, and I think there might actually be... No, never mind, that's just the plain red of the body. I thought for a second there was orange, just the reflection though. Suzuki badge looks pretty good. So the other one I don't think had a badge on it, this one does. And then it's got some painted taillights, which are orange, and there's a little line graphic here for a different part of the taillight. So I like this one more, being a convertible, or like a Targa. So there we go. You can see a tiny bit of the motor from the spring gear. These are wind-up toys, guys, by the way. What's weird is it just has this. I don't know why it wouldn't say the Suzuki Capucchino there. So I don't know if this is from a special set or what. Strange. Alright, the last one is a Daihatsu Copen, which is another K-Class vehicle. And this one's, a little scratched up. It's back to those first wheels, but this time they're chromed out. I feel like the wheel gap on this one is a lot worse than the other ones. Doesn't look as good. Oh well. This one is from 2005 also. But see, this one has the normal sticker. This is casting number 31, and then it tells you what the car is, and then it also tells you it's a Chibikko. There's some black here. I don't know why. Are those vents on the real car? I can't remember. The taillights have orange and a little bit of a red thing there. A little concave thing here. This is for the badge with no paint. And then you can see the smoked plastic. You can see the motor through there. Door handle here is alright. Looks like... I don't know if there's black paint for the window molding. Not sure. I don't think so. The front end, we have a couple of vents up here, a little power bulge, a raised, and printed Daihatsu logo, so that's nice. The grill has got texture, looking good. And so again, the headlights here are clear plastic, but this one I think is just painted black. Or maybe it is clear, it's just that... No, I think it is clear. You can see the pick there. Alright. What I don't understand is this is a convertible. Why would they mold the roof on the up position when clearly that other one, the Cappuccino, the roof is down. I think it would have been nicer if this was a you know, convertible. Like, oh well. Alright, so that's it. Let's compare it to a couple other cars. I actually do have these mostly in 1/64 scale. So this is a Konami 1/64 scale of the Subaru 360. This is a BM Creations of the Cappuccino. It's a cool little model BM Creations did on that one. It literally has metal grills, like photo etched metal grills. What I don't have is a Copen, so that one is not going to come. I know Aoshima makes it, but it's so expensive, it's not worth the prices on eBay, so hopefully maybe BM Creations will come back around and do that one, because I think this was a popular seller. It's a cool car. Alright, now if you're curious about the K-Class vehicles, I'll just pop out a normal sized car. Here's an Audi RS6 of modern times. So these K-Class cars are small. You know, big 660 cc's, or the very first one's only 360 cc's. And so that's why I brought up that photo there in the back, just for human scale, right? It's a small vehicle. Alright, let's get these guys out. Do I have these in ChoroQ? I think I do. Hold on. I don't have a regular ChoroQ size Subaru, but I do have these. They're Wanda Coffee promo cars. And so these are free with some Wanda Coffee cans in Japan. But they are roughly ChoroQ size. So here's a ChoroQ of a 350Z. So I'll put that up there just so you can see. The Wandas are of similar dimensions. Okay, so you get an idea that the Chibikkos are, I don't know, maybe 30% smaller than a regular size ChoroQ. But they still managed to have a lot of detail, so that's why I'm collecting them. Alright, well, it seems like there's a whole bunch of these ChoroQ Chibikkos, so hopefully there'll be some other videos coming up with some other ones. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.